In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Amazon Prime. Whether you're a new subscriber or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you can access all the amazing benefits that come with being an Amazon Prime member. To begin, let's navigate to the Amazon website. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use, and type Amazon.com into the address bar, then hit Enter. This will take you to Amazon's main homepage, where you'll find all their shopping categories, special deals, and much more. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see the option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. By doing so, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your account. In the Login section, you'll need to provide either your registered email address or your mobile number. It's important to ensure that the information you enter corresponds with what you used when creating your Amazon account. Once you've entered the correct email or mobile number, you'll need to type in your password. This is the password you set up for your Amazon account. If for any reason you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's an option to reset your password. After inputting your details, double-check that there are no typos. Then click on the Sign In button. This will authorize your entry and take you inside your personal Amazon account interface. Once you've successfully logged in, you're all set to explore and enjoy the diverse range of benefits that come with your Amazon Prime membership. For instance, if you're interested in streaming video content, hover over or click on the Amazon Prime or Prime Video option. This is where you'll find a vast collection of movies, TV series, documentaries, and other exclusive shows that Amazon offers to Prime members. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section. If you're primarily here for the shopping benefits, remember that Amazon Prime also offers other perks, such as free and fast shipping, among others. Consider exploring these options to make the most of your membership. And there you have it, a simple guide to logging into your Amazon Prime account. It's a process that's straightforward once you get the hang of it, and hopefully, this walkthrough has made it even easier. Now you're ready to enjoy countless hours of entertainment or benefit from the enhanced shopping experience Amazon provides. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials in the future.